Hey guys, this is Gabe. Here today, I want to touch on the Bobcat E145 16-ton excavator, part of Bobcat's new large excavator line. From the factory, this comes optional with either steel or rubber tracks. As you can see, this has the steel option, and with that will come with permanently sealed and lubricated track pins to minimize wear and tear, and the new X-frame chassis design, also with the rubber tracks, which sheds dirt and rock much easier, keeping more time in the cab, less time cleaning your tracks. Moving around to the back, this excavator is powered by a 115 horsepower Perkins diesel motor, and with that comes with an automatic belt tensioner for your engine accessory belt, as well as auto idle, so a few seconds after you stop touching the sticks, this engine will idle back down, saving you on fuel. You'll also notice on the back is this rear view camera, factory standard with this excavator. You'll also see a side view camera, again, standard with this machine, which is excellent for those tight grading jobs against foundations, wherever you may be maximizing your visibility in the cab. You're going to notice numerous LED work lights from the factory, as well as a factory optional dozer blade. Each major pinpoint on this large boom is heavy cast steel pin bosses, minimizing wear and tear and future slop within your boom. This excavator is also equipped, factory optional, with a large thumb for such a big machine. So now, moving on to my personal favorite part of this machine is the factory cab standard from the builder with every bell and whistle that a 2021 excavator could offer you. As you can see, tons of legroom no matter how big of an operator you are. Factory high back seat, air suspension and heated standard from the factory. And as you can see looking in this cab, it is absolutely loaded with glass to keep visibility high when you're on the job site. So now diving into the technology, which is factory standard on this brand new E145, you have smart power control, which will match your engine RPM and hydraulic pump torque to your workload. And speaking of work, this machine has 4 standard work modes: digging, lifting, one-way hydraulic function, and two-way hydraulic function. For example, one-way hydraulic breaker breaking up concrete will increase the hydraulic force going to that one-way function, or for example, the two-way running a shear. Now, within the work mode of digging, most likely your most common used work mode, it's going to have 4 standard power modes, ranging from Power Plus for that hard trenching down to economy if you're just loading trucks with topsoil and don't want to waste fuel. So with a machine this large, such a hefty price tag, I know any excavator is going to want to ensure this machine is properly monitored and serviced. Now with this standard LCD display, it has never been easier before to do so. It's as simple as diving into this screen, selecting machine state. We'll start off with monitoring. This page will show more gauges than you would ever be able to have without an LCD display. And going back into that, we will select filter and oil information. Now this really neat page is going to show you every major service this machine will require, and more importantly, how many hours you have left until that's going to be required, so you never lose track of time on this machine and keep it running the way the factory intends. So one last touch on this machine that I personally really enjoy. If you flip your armrest up, this machine is obviously equipped with heat and AC, but beyond that, you can select which vents you want to use going to your feet, face and feet, whatever you prefer. And also, like an automobile, rather than just hot to cold, you can select a specific temperature, put it on auto, and it'll automatically kick on and off to maintain a constant temperature in this cab for those hot or cold days. So, as you can see, Bobcat's new large excavator line is breaking ground against the competition from everything from bucket breakout force all the way to arguably the nicest factory standard cab in the industry today. Stop by any of our 3 locations, Bobcat of Binghamton, Bartron Supply, or Bobcat of Wayne County, to see what we can do to get you in the seat of this brand new E145 excavator.